chase about?
It's just matter to play full 50 overs because the way Suresh and Virat were batting, if they batted till 40, 45th over, I think that's the different story, different situation now. But they got out in 32nd or 33rd over. Sureshi got out, and after that nobody batted till the end. If Virat batted till the end and score 120 not out, then it would be a different story. But it's difficult. Yes, your main batsman in middle order, if he's not playing, and even Yuvraj is also not there, so then somebody has to take the responsibility in middle order to bat till the end and take us through.
Yes, please.
Can you just talk us through what happened with that ban you had for the 10th out there? You obviously appealed and then you withdrew the appeal. Is that right?
Yeah, I think Ashwin warned him once and in the previous over, and then next over, he just took the bail off and appealed for that. And umpire discussed, and umpire asked me that I said we can give him one more warning. If he'll do it again, then we'll go for that. No, I think I decided that. Everybody was discussing, but umpires called me, and after that, I said we can give him one more warning. But if he'll do it again, then we can, because that's the ICC made the rule. If somebody is taking early start, then bowlers have a full right to make him run out.
But did Ashwin appeal?
Yes.
But then, do you think the umpires should have consulted rather than that?
I think he went to Billy Borden. Billy Borden is senior umpire, and he asked him, and they discussed, and they called me, and after that they said it's your call now. If you appeal, then we can give out. So I took the decision that okay, we can give him one more warning, because if we appeal and umpire give him out, maybe that's somebody will criticize for that. That was not spirit of the game. So we gave him one more warning.
But do you think it was a little soft of the batsman? You warned him once and then you ran him out?
Yeah, it's soft, but that's the way we are.
And later also he kept backing away a lot. When Irfan was bowling and Vinay was bowling, they didn't do anything.
Because they were not aware. You have to be aware. Ashwin was aware, and I was aware when I was bowling. So you have to be aware when non-striker is taking start.
What do you think is going wrong with the team after the 2 victories and 1 tied game? So what happened wrong here?
I think we couldn't bat 50 overs. We batted full 50 overs, maybe different story. But one batsman has to bat till the end, and even Virat and Suresh, the way they were batting, if they batted, one of them batted till the end, maybe that it's very tight game again. But obviously, yes, we are not giving good start. So I know last 3 games I played in one day, but didn't score runs. So I have to be look at my shot selection. So if I'll give little more time to myself, maybe then and after that I can play my shot. Then it's different story.
For years together, batting has been our strength, but on these 2, our batting has been failing miserably over and over again. And not only the seniors, but even the youngsters who are getting so many chances. Are they aware of this fact that what opportunity they are missing? Because they don't seem to put up a price tag on their wicket.
Yeah, they're working hard, and it's difficult to explain that what's going wrong. But I think yes, Australia is not easy batting wickets. It's especially when 2 new balls is going on, so it's difficult for everyone. But if you look at other batsmen also, they were also struggling. And the face is we are facing right now. It's difficult for Indian teams. So all the batsmen are not scoring runs except Gautam and. Today Virat and Dhoni, they were all 3 consistent batsmen who scoring runs in the series. But if you want to win the one day game, you have to 4 or 5 batsmen has to pinch in and score a couple of 50s and maybe 100, or maybe somebody has to bat till the end. So somebody has to take responsibility in the middle order, or maybe in the top order, then he can bat through. And if any top order bat through, Sachin or Sehwag or Gambhir, then it's easier for middle order also.
Yes,
Were you surprised when you heard that Dhoni came out and said that if you 3, you, Sachin and Gambhir play together, that you'll give 20 runs more? And did you have a chat with him?
No, we didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't know that, what he said and what's going on in media. But we decided, we had a meeting and he chatted with everyone, with Gautam and myself and Tendulkar, and he explained that he want to give chance to youngster that, so youngster can play all the matches here, and because the next World Cup is also here, so they'll get to know the idea of how wickets behave in Australia. So when they'll come for next World Cup, so they'll prepare themselves.